That water wore me out yesterday, I ain't gonna lie. Whole new day, new energy, new vibe, new adventures, man. Let's get it. Boo boo! Yeah, now that music get the rocking. Just party with my people now. I'm about to go play with birds. See what the birds hitting on. He said they're not in the mood right now. They chilling. It's like me and my mind right. I'm gonna call you Rio. Rio. Yeah. You housing all the food, son. Housing all the food. Right, chilling though. Ain't too much. Ain't nothing to it but to do it though. You. What's up, man?
You keep coming back.
Ah! Oh! What's up, bro? What's up, man? Son got all over me. You saw that? There we go. Shut up. Oh! He's changing tripping. Oh! It's all I know. Ghetto.
Oh, you want
a tank.
I don't want you. Look at
Talking. I think he be talking too.
I know you.
Hey. Ring head. Hey. You want to talk to me? Part of the culture. Gotta catch the vibe. Oh, Sean. Look at him. Hot as fish grease. Boo boo. Try some of this gelato from Luciano. I'm gonna get that one right there. Why I stick to Old Faithful, go give a never. Farting comes with it, guys. You want dairy? Pros and cons. It tastes good, gets you in the back end.